Hi, I'm Karen Calabrese here today for ehow.com. We're going to make sweet potato chips for your puppy. But guess what? The good news is you can share them with them. Very nutritious, very healthy snack for your puppy. It's actually good for an upset tummy for your dog too, for you too. So we're going to start with yams or sweet potatoes, either will work. You'll peel them, and then I like to use a mandolin to slice them very thin. And this is how they look. You get very nice, thin, sliced sweet potatoes. Now, we're just going to add the olive oil to them, our 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Coat them so the salt kind of sticks. And our Himalayan sea salt, we like the pink Himalayan sea salt, lots of minerals for your puppy. And we'll add the salt. This is so easy and so good for you and so delicious. Great for training your puppy. They love sweet potatoes. We're going to add the salt. We're going to smush those all together. Make sure they're well coated with olive oil and salt. And this is just so easy. We're going to stick them on the dehydrator sheet, one at a time. We'll put them in the dehydrator, for approximately 24 hours at about 115 degrees. And pull the moisture out. Now these sweet potato chips will last in your cupboard a good, 3 weeks or more in a nice sealed airtight container. Okay, so we've got our sweet potato chips on our dehydrator sheet. We're going to pop these in the dehydrator and then we'll feed them to our puppies or us. So here we are with our puppy potato chips, sweet potato chips, but they're people grade too. You, your children can all share in this delicious, nutritious snack. So I'm Karen Calabrese for ehow.com.